Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily remove a Hyundai Elantra tail light. First, open the trunk and locate the two retaining screws on the inside panel. These screws are typically Phillips head, so grab your screwdriver. Removing them is the initial step to access the tail light assembly. This process is straightforward and requires minimal tools, making it a perfect DIY task for anyone. Once the initial screws are out, gently pull back the trunk's carpet or trim. This will expose the back of the tail light assembly. You might find one or two additional nuts or bolts holding the unit in place. A 10mm socket wrench is usually the correct size for these fasteners. Take your time to ensure you don't damage any surrounding trim pieces.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And on another note, working on your car can be thirsty work, so stay refreshed with an Oala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drink cold while you're tackling those DIY projects. You can find a link to this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
With all the internal fasteners removed, you can now gently pull the tail light unit from the outside of the vehicle. It should slide straight back, away from the car's body. Be careful not to use too much force, as there might be a few plastic alignment pins or clips that could break if handled roughly. A steady, even pull works best here. Once the tail light housing is free, you'll need to disconnect the electrical components. Twist each bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it out. Also, disconnect any main wiring harnesses by pressing their release tabs and pulling them apart. To reassemble, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all bulbs are seated correctly and electrical connections are secure before testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.